This is a Raspberry Pi. It's a credit card-sized computer that costs around £25, designed to teach young people to program, and is capable of doing all kinds of wonderful things. Back in the 80s, kids had to learn how to code computers to use them, and as a result, these kids grew up with an inbuilt understanding of how computers work. Now, we need more programmers than ever before. So to deal with this problem, some clever people came up with the Raspberry Pi to reignite the spark. It runs Linux, a free operating system from an SD card, just like the one in your digital camera, and it's powered by a USB phone charger. You just plug in a mouse and a keyboard, connect it to a TV or monitor, and you're ready to go. In schools, not only is Raspberry Pi a great way to learn programming skills as part of ICT, there are also dozens of cross-curricular applications, like science and music. And all over the world, people are experimenting with Raspberry Pis and attending Raspberry Jam events, where people of all ages are learning what can be done with a Raspberry Pi. Since the first Raspberry Pi was shipped, we've seen examples of people using the Pi in a variety of amazing and interesting projects, taking advantage of its size, portability, cost, programmability, and connectability. So whether you want to learn to make games, build robots, or even teach a bear to parachute, with Raspberry Pi, the sky's the limit.
So, you've got your first Raspberry Pi, you lucky thing. But now what? Well, fear not, adventurers. I'm here to explain all. The Raspberry Pi is a tiny computer that has the ability to do loads of wonderful things. So, let's take a closer look. You'll probably want to use a mouse or a keyboard. That's what these two USB ports are for. Oh, wait! There's also an HDMI port for a display. You can use a monitor or even your family TV. And this is an Ethernet port, so you can connect to the internet. Your Raspberry Pi even has a connector for a special camera module. It can hook up to lots of other devices if you use a USB hub too. So now we've had a look around the Raspberry Pi, let's get set up. First, you're going to need a screen. This can be connected with an HDMI or analog cable depending on the kind of display you're using. Next, a USB mouse and keyboard. A micro USB power supply, like one you'd use to charge your mobile phone, and an Ethernet cable to get online. The operating system runs from an SD card just like the one in your digital camera. You can download your operating system for free from the Raspberry Pi website. If you want to get started even quicker, you can buy a noob's card which comes preloaded with a choice of operating system for everyone, from beginners to experts. And there you have it. Your shiny new Raspberry Pi is ready for you to boot up and start doing fantastic things. Build an arcade machine. Make a robot. Create music. Fly a drone. Or send your Pi into space. So what are you waiting for? Go on. Make your Raspberry Pi do something truly amazing.
Hi, my name is Haley Strength, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Intel Compute Stick. What really differentiates the Intel Compute Stick from the many media streaming sticks on the market today is that this is an entire computer on a stick. Anywhere you have a monitor or a TV, you can also have a Windows-based computer. It features a quad-core Intel Atom processor and comes preloaded with Windows 10. So let's check out what comes in the box. The first thing you're going to take out of the box is the Compute Stick itself. Next, you're going to find the quick start guide and instructions, HDMI extension cable, power adapter and USB cable, and 5 international plug adapters. The Intel Compute Stick has 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0, and comes preloaded with Windows 10. So first on this side, you can see that it has one USB 2.0 port, a micro USB port for the power connector, and a power button. Here on the other side, we have a micro SD card slot, so you can add up to 128 gigs of extra storage. On the front, there's power LED, security notch so you can lock down the device, and below the vent you can see the fan. The Intel Compute Stick is one of very few devices that uses a fan, which is extremely quiet and provides reliable performance. To power it on, we recommend using the included AC power adapter and USB cable. Please remember not to use the USB port on your TV. It does not provide enough current to keep up with the Compute Stick. If your TV's USB initially powers a Compute Stick, there still could be issues when it needs larger current draws. To set up your Compute Stick, we recommend using a keyboard such as this Logitech K400, equipped with a unifying receiver. This allows for a single USB port for keyboard and mouse. Bluetooth works as well, but devices can't be used during setup. Once your Intel Compute Stick is up and running, you could also use the Intel Remote Keyboard app. This allows Intel Compute Stick users to conveniently control their devices via their Android or iOS-based smartphone. This app can be downloaded for free from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Now all you have to do is power it on and walk through the standard Windows 10 setup process. Enjoy your Intel Compute Stick.